Hey everybody, today in the UPR garage we're going to talk about the cradle braces that we sell, and this is basically going to replace your factory cradle brace. It's going to take the stock stamped steel part out and replace it with a 7075 aluminum CNC part. Speaking of CNCs, if there's background noise, I apologize. We actually are making parts in the building right now. So we're going to go ahead and replace this brace. First thing you're going to do is jack the car up. You can do this right in your driveway. No real special tools needed. Jack the car up and support the cradle with a jack. We're going to use a pole jack since we're on the lift, but a regular jack will work. You're going to remove the 22mm large bolts and the 13mm smaller bolts to remove the factory cradle brace. And a 13mm socket to remove the bolts in the body. And save these bolts. When you're installing the new ones, you're just going to line up the new one. You're going to see there's an angle cut for the body. Just match them up. This is the driver's side. What I like to do is get the bolts started and don't tighten anything until they're all started. The cradle brace has a step in it that's going to insert into the cradle bushing. So you want to make sure that's seated when you run the bolt up. Snug that bolt. Tighten the 13mm bolts. Now notice I'm not using an electric gun or an air gun. I want to show you guys you can do this with hand tools in your driveway. If you have the electric guns, by all means use them, but make sure you check the torque afterwards, because sometimes those guns can be so powerful they'll over torque the nut or the bolts. The large bolt is going to be torqued to 129 foot-pounds. There we go. So the cradle braces, they not only look good, but they're going to keep the cradle from moving back and forth on the hard acceleration, braking, and cornering. It's just one of the parts of UPR's rear suspension for the S550 and 650 Mustang. Get yours at uprproducts.com or any UPR products dealer.